Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all letters uppercase in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make all letter uppercase in this document. At first I have to select this all letter. To press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard or drag on your mouse to right to select this all text. Now I change all letters uppercase. Go to format menu. Now you can see here are text option. Click this text option and go to the end of this text option. Now you can see here are capitalization option. Now change uppercase. Now you can see I make all letters uppercase in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.